In this video, I will be demonstrating the branching increase in contrast vertical stranding. It is used, as the name suggests, when you need to add a strand of contrast color to branch off of the one you already have. In my sample, my new strand is going to branch off to the left while my existing strand continues up to the right. So I'm just knitting up to that point. And I do have a video showing the regular contrast vertical stranding technique. You lay the main color over the contrast color, you knit through the back, you wrap around, and in the case of this increase, we will then take our second strand, wrap around, and pull both of the loops through. I'll go ahead and show that for the throwers among you. So we get to this point here, got the yarn in the right hand, you lay it over to the left, knit into the back of the contrast stitch, and then before you pull it out, go ahead and add your next one, pull both loops out, keeping them in order, and then we'll go on and do the SSK. Now this is not part of the stitch, it would be indicated in your pattern, but since you are increasing with your contrast color, you do need to have a corresponding decrease. As I said, that'll be in the pattern. And just go to the end of the row. I'll show you the back again, as in my previous video. So we have two strands. We have the old one here and the new one here. This is your tail that you don't want to knit with. It's a little longer than we need to, so on this first stitch we can just shorten it up. And then sometimes what I do is I will take a tapestry needle and thread that and just bring it through to the front so I don't knit with it accidentally, and then I can deal with it later. So each of the contrast vertical stranding, each column gets its own yarn. And so thus we have two of the butterflies. And again, I have another video that shows you how to make these if you don't already know how.